Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the older version of Mendeley Desktop, a great tool for managing citations, and how to use it effectively. I personally recommend using the older desktop version because it's more stable and easier to use compared to the newer one. Let's get started. First, open the web address shown in this video. You can also find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, click Download Mendeley Desktop under the section that says Recommended for your system. After downloading, open the installation wizard and follow the steps to complete the setup. When the installation is done, you'll need to register for an account. You can use either your personal email or your student email for this. Once registration is complete, sign in using your email and password. Next, install the MS Word plugin. This plugin allows you to insert citations directly into your Word documents. To start adding citations, simply drag and drop your downloaded articles into Mendeley. Double-check the details to make sure Mendeley has captured the correct information for each reference. You can also add entries manually by clicking Add Entry Manually at the top left corner. Once your references are ready, open Microsoft Word. Go to the References tab and click Insert Citation. When the pop-up window appears, search for the title of your article and click OK. You'll now see the in-text citation appear in your Word document. To add your reference list, click Insert Bibliography. You can also choose your preferred citation style, for example, APA, MLA, or Harvard. And that's it. You've successfully installed Mendeley Desktop and learned how to use it for easy and accurate citations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.